In a bustling city, skyscrapers rose like steel giants, casting shadows over the once vibrant wetlands. Migratory birds, confused by the city lights, began to lose their way. One night, a peculiar bird with shimmering feathers appeared, guiding the lost flocks. It was said to be a spirit of the wetlands, returning to restore balance. As the city slept, the bird led the flock safely through the urban maze. By dawn, the birds had vanished, leaving only a single feather behind. The city awoke to find the wetlands mysteriously restored, a testament to nature's resilience.